What's going on, guys? Squink here. Today we're watching Wannabe Tough Guy Punches Cop in front of his parents from Bodycam Ninja. Not to be confused with the Fortnite Ninja. This is the Bodycam Ninja. Let's get into it. Never seen this. I used to be a police officer. Doesn't matter. Jumping into it.
On March 16th, 2023, police were dispatched to a residence after receiving calls about an individual acting in a reckless manner.
Okay. I'm gonna guess the reckless individual is the wannabe tough guy.
Yeah. Hey, stop right now.
Oh. Let's see that again.
Yeah. Hey, stop right now. Stop. Stop.
Okay, so that's the best. Let's continue.
Relax.
He just jumped
John,
from
so
there.
you just jump from the banister again. Relax. What's going on? Why are you jumping like that? Are you hurt? What's your name? What's your name? I'm Nick.
Let him take over now. I'm not going to say anything.
First observation, he's pretty amped up. You can tell he's breathing really hard. He's uncomfortable. He's not making eye contact. He just jumped from the 5th story banister. We're only a minute in.
What's your name?
But there may be a backup officers with them.
What's wrong? Why don't you take a seat for me?
What is that noise? That like... Is someone hyperventilating off in the background?
What's your name? Do you want to talk outside? What's going on? Are you hurt?
Yeah. There's cause for concern here. He's not even answering him. Just kind of like that 1,000-yard stare. I don't know.
Not talking to me is not going to solve anything. We have to figure out what's going on. That's not normal.
True.
Do you want to talk?
So what he just did there is important. He centered himself shoulder to shoulder. Well, you know what I mean. Parallel with the cop. And now he's making eye contact, so I foresee this happening very shortly.
Talk to me, or are you just going to stand there? What's his name?
Amish.
Adish?
Amish.
A-N-I-S-H.
Okay. Can you not step towards me, please? Just back up. Hey, relax, relax. I'm not trying to fight you or anything, okay? I got to make sure you're okay. All right? What happened today?
See how he keeps
Don't do
adjusting
this.
himself?
Don't do this. It's not worth it.
So, I mean, really, to our knowledge, there's nothing really he can arrest him for at this point. He's in his own home. These are his parents off in the background. Presumably, they're the ones that called. He really hasn't done anything to warrant an arrest yet.
Does he take any medication?
No.
Okay.
He's supposed to, but he never takes it, so no.
I'm squaring up with me.
Okay.
No, I'm not. He has a body cam.
Yeah.
Not squaring up with you.
Okay. So why are you just acting all quiet and staring me dead in my eyes? What happened? What is that? Did something happen today?
This is all very odd.
Okay. Well, we're gonna have the medics talk with you. Because that obviously wasn't normal.
This guy's a playboy, I will say that.
He jumped 3 times in the space of last half an hour.
Okay. Are you injured at all?
I don't want to.
You can show me on Fred and the empty just rolled up.
Are you just jumping to jump?
He hurt his left shoulder blade.
Okay.
Doing cartwheeling. I took him to emergency. They checked him out, he's fine. But that didn't stop him from jumping again. He also jumped outside from the.
Can you
the
just.
deck few times. The deck is like 7-8 feet down. The land is 7-8 feet down.
Okay.
It is good that they have
and
a
then he started jumping here.
officer
Do you have anything
in
in your
back.
pockets right now? Can you
and
take your
in
hands out of
front.
your pockets for a second? Okay.
Again, remember what I've said in all the other videos. It's the hands that kill. It's the hands that pull the trigger. It's the hands that pull the knife. It's the hands that punch you. So instructing him to keep his hands out of his pockets. Good work.
Something there? Okay. Alright. So, buddy, do you want to go to the hospital? Are you hurt? Hey, over here. What's his name?
Anish, he's chasing
You don't gotta touch. Legally, you don't have to touch. I'm in my space.
That's fine. Anish, what's going on, buddy? Do you want to talk somewhere else?
Got nothing to say.
Okay. Alright.
That's his
We're gonna
right.
ask that you just talk to the paramedics to make sure that you're okay. It sounds like you got a fall. That's what we're concerned about. Is that something you're
Quite
okay
the
doing?
fall. If I didn't know any better, I'd say he was the Bodycam
Do you want to
Ninja.
talk to them and not the police?
I don't want to talk to anyone.
Okay. Can you do this for me? Can you just sit on the step?
I can stand here.
I will bring a paramedic in.
I'm standing here.
We're not going to do this with you standing up like this. You want to?
I'm
You want to? You're taking a very aggressive posture.
I'm not touching anyone. So
I'm not
legally,
saying.
I'm in my
I'm
right
not
to stand.
saying that you.
This guy's doing a really good job using verbal judo. Verbal judo, there's actually a book written about it, but it's just using your words to de-escalate someone's emotions rather than escalating to violence.
It is. Our department comes in here, you have a conversation with them, and they leave. But they are not going to do it with you doing this right now. Okay? So this is just going to take a heck of a lot longer. So all I'm asking you to do is just sit on that stuff. I will have your parents walk into the other room. I don't care whatever is the most comfortable for you, but I need to have them come in here, talk to you real quick, and then you can figure out what you want to do from there. You are not a criminal. You didn't do anything wrong. You're not under arrest. Okay?
Yeah,
Just wanna make sure
this
that
guy's doing a really good job.
you're not harmed.
This guy.
You want to go to the hospital? Tell them that.
You guys got
He's reassuring him of any doubts that may be in his mind that he's going to jail. He's just reassuring him that does not have to go south.
And we'll get out of here. Okay? I'm just going to sit here and ask you questions until you answer them. So I don't care if it takes an hour. I don't care if it takes 2 hours. The parents are concerned. The paramedics are here. There's 4 police officers here. We are not going anywhere. This isn't safe for you. It's not safe for your parents. Tell me how you would like to do this.
They're all waiting outside for you. But from what I saw when I first walked in and you jumping, that's unnormal. You could really hurt yourself. And what's to say that you're
What's
not
that
going to
guy
do
doing?
something more when we leave? So therefore, we're obligated to make sure that you get the right
Calf
attention.
raises.
We can't just get up and leave, okay? We got to make sure you're okay. So we can either step outside, or you can sit down and they can come talk to you. You can call the shots, but we just need to find a route to go down so we can help you. That's it. Nobody's in trouble or anything.
I'm just
The
wondering when
fact that
this
you keep
punch
moving
is
and shuffling
coming.
towards me like you're about to like swing on me or something is disturbing for me. I see what you're doing. You're trying to get into some type of position to try and flank me or whatever you're trying to do. And we're not going to go down this route, okay? Or you're going to try and run. You're not going anywhere right now, okay? You're being detained for your own safety and for your parents' safety. So stop trying to walk up on me, stay all quiet, and act like you're going to try and hurt me or whatever you're trying to do or be intimidating. Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not scared of you, okay? So you can either talk to Sergeant Jump here, or me, Officer Nelson,
I think it's
or you
coming.
can talk to the fire department. We're not leaving.
Watch the shoulder.
Okay. Stay right there. Stop moving like that.
His eyes are getting wide. He's less relaxed. I just don't understand what's going on in his head.
I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
There's no reason for this. There's obviously something going on. He's very close.
I'm going to tell you this much. I will place you under arrest for assault. Okay? We have every reason to believe that we are in fear of physical contact with you with what you're doing. You're balling your hand like...
This guy is like kind of not doing anything.
You're ready to punch someone. You're coming within inches
Are his hands in his pockets?
of other
No.
people.
Okay.
Not worth it.
So do not push this into a criminal matter. Because you will be arrested and taken.
It's very simple at this point. They're just checking his well-being because the parents called because he was literally Spider-Manning off of the balcony. And right now it is not a criminal matter, but the way he keeps positioning himself almost tactically so that he can get off a good shot, which it appears he may do here shortly, he's just asking for trouble. Right now there's no criminal matter, and he's about to take it to that level because who knows?
Hey, don't step on it.
That is something. I'm not leaving it.
Oh, it's the dog. What a dumbass. What a dumbass, man. And what a bitch shot. What a bitch shot. What a pussy. Waited till he was turned away, petting the dog to hit him. What a dumbass.
Get in the head position.
Hands now!
I got this hand.
There's no defense for that. I'm sorry,
stop
there's
fighting.
not.
Just relax, okay?
That's just you being a
wasn't smart.
dumbass.
You good, Tony? Yeah. My kid does worse to me. John, you mark one in custody.
Alright. Let's just double check.
Why is he letting this kid beat his ass?
What's that?
Alright.
Not smart, dude.
Can you breathe?
There was no reason for that. No reason.
Tuck your knees in. All that way. Okay. Are we going to the hospital or are we going to jail?
I feel
Jail.
jail would probably be good, seeing that you just punched me in the face.
So the reason they would go to the hospital is if he was injured, the suspect was injured in any way, and because he jumped from the balcony earlier. But he was standing on his own, so I don't see a need for medical clearance.
Maybe a good thing for you to be quiet right now.
Yeah, you'll go to jail after the hospital. Doesn't matter. You're going to jail.
Yeah, I'm going to jail.
Okay, you don't want to go to the hospital. All right, sounds good. We'll just have you sign a release. You don't want to go.
Can't wait to see these new
Easy
body
enough.
cameras we got. Can't wait to watch that one.
Right.
This will be the first time we can really.
This guy's so pumped.
That's enough.
Yeah, he keeps trying to grab me really hard. You're being polite, but he's not.
Bro, you just punched him.
We've been polite this entire time.
Yeah, you notice how he grabs me?
I'm sorry, but once you inflict physical violence on someone else, they're no longer dutifully obligated to show you respect, kiddo.
Would you knock it off? Knock it off. I was trying to trip me. Stop it. Get in the car and we can be done. Got it?
Got it.
I have no patience for this.
Yeah, I will. Feet first.
This could have all been avoided. All of it. What a dumbass.
Yeah. Just, you need to sign it.
Okay.
Sorry. Are you okay? Are you good?
The suspect was charged with aggravated assault on an officer and multiple counts of resisting arrest. Drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more videos.
Alright. Bodycam Ninja, make sure you go subscribe to him on YouTube. Yeah, obviously something mental was going on, or maybe that kid is just acting a fool and just wanted some attention. That happens quite often. We see it on this platform all the time. Alright, we'll see you around.